In this video, we'll learn how to calculate profitable inspection fees and the 9 ways to make more money in home inspections. You won't be in business very long if you don't know what fees to charge that are the most profitable for your business. And so we're at step 4, calculating profitable inspection fees. And here's a few resources for you. We have InterNACHI's free online home inspection business course. And inside this home inspection business course, which is free and online for everyone, inside chapter 11, we go through a couple examples of how to calculate a home inspection fee for Inspector John and Inspector Mary. And it's all about math. It doesn't have anything to do with what your inspector is doing at a discount rate. It's not about competing on price. It's about math and what you need to make, what your overhead is, and what your desired profit margin would be. So take a look at the Home Inspection Business Course, Chapter 11, to calculate profitable inspection fees. Be sure to use InterNACHI's free online home inspection fee calculator. This is a free online calculator to help home inspectors calculate profitable inspection fees. Once you get your fees, you enter them into InterNACHI's free online signable home inspection agreement system. This is an agreement between you and your client, and you have to have your fee written in the agreement. So use InterNACHI's inspection agreement system to streamline the process of getting your contracts signed. And then we have a video here about the 9 ways to make more money as a home inspector, and there's only 9. So take the time to play that short video. And this was step 4, calculating profitable inspection fees.